Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will guide you through the process of designing a beautiful website on Weebly. With its drag and drop tools, it's simple and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And after you are logged in, click on the hamburger option on the bottom left corner of the screen, and from there click on the option saying website and simply click on edit site. From there, choose the option saying edit, and now you're in the Weebly editor. This is where the design magic happens. If you click on the build option on the top of the screen, you can see different options that you can add to your website. For example, if you click on title and hold it and drag and drop on your website, you can see a text option which you can adjust accordingly. Similarly, you can add different options such as images, gallery, slideshow, map, also button as well. If you click on button, hold it for a while and leave on the website, you will see a button which you can customize accordingly. Make your website visually appealing by adding images and videos, drag and drop an image element, upload your files, choose from the Weebly's free image library as well. Once you're happy with the design, preview your site by clicking the option saying preview, and there you have it. Designing a website on Weebly is easy and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.